Hello everyone, welcome to Eleganza Car Talk. Today I will be talking about the pros and cons of a car and SUV. Now if you don't know, Eleganza Car Talk is a channel focused on bringing you an in-depth explanation and latest news in the auto world. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe now for more content and comment below any topic you want to see on this channel. So let's get into the video. If you want to buy a vehicle, you need to decide which vehicle you want and what you need in the vehicle. In this case, if you are thinking of getting either a car or a SUV, but you don't know which to choose, safety, versatility, type, style, size and value from your vehicle are things you would want to consider. 4-door sedans are popular these days. 2 doors will be a bit difficult getting in and out of the back. Sedans are suitable for families and those who often drive 3 or 4 people. In comparison to a SUV, sedans offer a better maneuverability and handling and also more efficient. Cars are great for those who are single or have a small family, and also it is much easier to drive, park, reverse and maneuver through traffic because of its size, and it gets better gas mileage and even less costlier to maintain than a SUV. Sedan styling is something you can't overlook when you are deciding on getting a car or SUV. If you really want a nice looking ride, sedan has a lot more for you. It is said that lightweight cars are not safe, but that was then. Now auto manufacturers are paying close attention to safety to help make cars as safe as large cars. Sports utility vehicle is the taller version of hatchback. SUVs are built for off-road driving and difficult terrains, which means more power, more force. SUV high sitting position is great for road trips and sightseeing, greater visibility for the driver and ease of exit and entry. SUV are great for families that go on road trips or elderly people with mobility problems. SUV offer convenience as they are easy to enter and exit and safer to drive in harsh weather. SUVs have a body-on-frame chassis which contribute to a rigid driving experience. Also, SUV have rugged suspension which are amazing on dirt roads. SUV offers a lot of space both for passenger and luggage more than the sedan, and also offers a better ride quality on bad roads more than the sedan. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. See you next time. Bye for now.